Yo, what's up, boys and girls? Sam Gaz back in a Daytona, man. So basically, we're about to get a straight pipe. Not a full straight pipe, but a muffler and resonator delete on the Daytona. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Go get your merch. Link in the description as always. The Daytona is pretty loud stock. For a stock exhaust, I mean, it's pretty crazy how loud it actually is. But it's kind of with any American muscle car, nowadays at least. Still, thankfully. But yeah, we're about to make it louder. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the active exhaust in, the active exhaust flap. We're gonna keep that in. We're just gonna cut the section of the resonator and the muffler, or as people in the Dodge community call it, the mids and the rears, the mid muffler and the rear muffler. But in reality, Dodge puts the muffler in the middle, and the resonator is the one that's in the back. A real short video, most likely. We're real close to the spot, so next clip will probably be exhaust getting cut up.
Stack that money in, bro. Hey, why you can't?
Alright guys, so we just got the straight pipe done. It's the mid muffler delete and the resonator delete. So Dodge has the mufflers in the middle of the car and the resonators actually at the end by the tips. So we deleted both, and my main concern was how it's gonna sound with MDS on when it kicks into 4-cylinder mode, and also how it would sound with the active exhaust, if the active exhaust is gonna hold back the sound a lot. Honestly, it doesn't. The active exhaust is, actually quiets it down when you're at low speed and don't want to be too loud, even though it's basically fully straight piped. When you really gun it, it opens up a lot, and it's really throaty. And yeah, I mean, I tested out the MDS at lower speeds, like 45, 50 maybe, and you can't really tell that it's going into 4-cylinder mode from the outside too much. I mean, if you know, you know, but if you don't, it doesn't sound like a Honda, basically is what I'm trying to say. So I would definitely do it. And I also pushed out the tips farther out to look more aggressive. So if you guys are looking to do something like this, I would say go ahead and do it. I would do both. And if you really want to get crazy, then, trick the active exhaust into staying open all the time, so the valves are open non-stop. You can do that with the MFER1 plate and that blocks it open while still making the computer think that the active exhaust is still functioning as it's supposed to, so it won't throw a check engine. Because if you just unplug that or whatever, you'll definitely throw a check engine light. So yeah, that's all I got. So thanks for watching, and yeah, peace out. Have fun, and yeah, see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Sam Gas, hauling ass.